Amazing benefits of eating. Dates. Dates are an evergreen fruit that grows in small clusters on the palm tree. Scientifically known as Phoenix dactylifera, it is the tastiest and most nutritious fruit. It has dark brown skin, soft pulp, and unique sweetness. Whenever you're craving something sweet, choose dates instead of candy or sugar. Nutritional importance of dates. Dates are packed with nutrients, especially dry dates. Dry dates are high in calories, especially carbohydrates, 74 grams. It also contains fiber along with many essential vitamins and minerals. Dates are known for their high concentration of antioxidants that can be beneficial for your cardiac and pulmonary health. Surprising benefits of dates include: dates contain a number of nutrients that provide your body with a variety of health benefits, from lowering cholesterol to healthy bones. Lowering cholesterol. Dates should be included in your diet as they can instantly lower cholesterol and help you manage your weight. Rich in disease-fighting antioxidants. Dates provide various various diseases. Antioxidants protect your cells from free radicals that can cause harmful reactions in your body and cause disease. Dates are rich in antioxidants, including carotenoids. These are very beneficial for your heart health. It also reduces the risk of eye-related disorders. Flavonoids. This is a powerful antioxidant with multiple benefits. It is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Studies show that it is useful for reducing the risk of diabetes, Alzheimer's disease, and certain types of cancer. Phenolic acid, it has anti-inflammatory properties and helps reduce the risk of some cancers and heart problems. Makes bones strong. Dates are rich in copper, selenium, and magnesium, which are very important nutrients for maintaining your bone health and preventing bone-related diseases. It is also rich in vitamin K, which helps regulate blood clotting and helps metabolize your bones. People with osteoporosis are more likely to break bones. Dates can make your bones strong and stable. Promotes brain health. Each date contains choline, a B vitamin that is beneficial for learning and memory, especially in children with Alzheimer's disease. Regular coffee of dates has been linked to better cognitive performance in the elderly and neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's disease. Dates also help reduce inflammation in the brain and prevent plaque formation, which are important for preventing Alzheimer's disease. Controls diabetes. Diabetes mellitus is one of the most common diseases. Most diabetes is treated using a variety of oral diabetes medications and insulin supplements. Research shows that dates help lower blood sugar and fat levels. It can increase insulin production and also help reduce the rate of glucose absorption from the intestines. This can help reduce the risk of developing diabetes. Improves the skin. Dates are an excellent source of vitamins C and D, which help in making your skin elastic and keep your skin smooth. Dates also come with anti-aging properties and prevent the accumulation of melanin. Improve heart health. A handful of dates a day can improve your heart health. Dates have antioxidant properties that help prevent the formation of atherosclerosis and prevent cardiac diseases. Dates have some other benefits, especially for men and women. They are as follows. Benefits of dates for men: improve sexual health in men and increase sperm count. Dates have long been consumed as a superfood that also boosts men's sexual health. Some research suggests that dates can increase your libido. Benefits of dates for women: promote natural birth. Eating dates in the last stage of pregnancy can make it easier for you. It promotes dilation of the cervix and reduces the need for induced labor. Dates mimic the action of oxytocin and bring about natural contractions of the uterine muscles during labor. Dates also contain a compound called tannin that also helps ease uterine contractions during childbirth. Prevent hemorrhoids during pregnancy. Poor intake of fiber.